Good day, everyone. Today, I am presenting to you a published research paper on multimedia education. The study entitled The Impact of AI-Powered Study Tools on the Academic Performance and Motivation of Higher Education Students. The following authors are Aniko Micabalo, Angel of Yanka, Edwin Ormeta, Giza Orala, and John Daniel Ong. The abstract tells us the study investigates the effects of AI-powered study tools on academic performance and motivation among higher education students. Using a mixed methods approach, data were collected from the university students through structured surveys and interviews. Results indicate that AI tools significantly enhance academic performance by reducing study hours while improving the GPAs driven by adaptive learning features and real-time feedback. Students reported heightened motivation, citing personalized learning pathways and engaging interfaces as key factors. Challenges such as over-reliance on AI, integration with traditional methods, and ethical concerns were also identified. The findings underscore the transformative potential of AI in education while emphasizing the need for balanced implementation to maximize benefits and address emerging risks. For the introduction, the integration of artificial intelligence into educational context has rapidly accelerated, offering new opportunities for personalized learning, adaptive feedback, and students' engagement. AI-powered study tools such as intelligent tutoring systems, adaptive quizzes, and automated feedback platforms are increasingly prevalent in higher education institutions. Despite their widespread adaptation, there is a need to rigorously evaluate their impact on both academic performance and student motivation, as these factors are critical to educational success and long-term learning outcomes. For the methods, this study employed a mixed methods approach to assess the effects of AI-powered study tools on higher education students. Quantitative data were collected through structured surveys distributed to a representative sample of university students who regularly use AI-based study platforms. The survey included the Likert scale questions on academic performance, and of course, the GPA changes efficiently, and of course, the motivation, the engagement, and perceived autonomy. For the methods, qualitative data were gathered via follow-up interviews to gain deeper insights into students' experiences, attitudes, and perceived challenges. Statistical analysis, including descriptive statistics, t-test, regression analysis, were conducted to identify significant trends and predictions of AI adaptation and effectiveness. For the results, for the academic performance, students reported a significant reduction in the study hours alongside an increase of the GPA after adopting AI-powered study tools. Adaptive learning features and real-time feedback were credited with helping students identify and allow knowledge gaps more efficiently. For motivation, the majority of students rated the motivational impact of AI tools as positive with an average score of 4.17 out of 5. Key drivers included instant feedback, engaging content, and personalized learning pathways. Most students, 51 out of 71, rated their motivation at level 4 or 5, indicating that AI tools help them stay focused and address these issues. For the challenges, some students express concerns about over-reliance on AI and the challenge of integrating AI tools with traditional teaching methods. Privacy and transparency were also highlighted as important consideration for future development. For discussion, the findings demonstrate that AI-powered study tools can substantially enhance both learning performance and motivation among higher education students. Personalized feedback, adapted content, and engaging interfaces contribute to more effective and satisfying learning experiences. However, the study also underscores the importance of balancing AI integration with conventional educational practices to avoid over dependence and ensure holistic development. Addressing privacy, ethical considerations, and maximum or curriculum alignment will be crucial for maximum to maximize rather the benefits of AI in education. For conclusion, AI-powered study tools are promising assets in higher education, driving improvements in academic achievement and student motivations. Their continued and refinement, responsible implementation, thoughtful integration with traditional pedagogy will be key to realizing the full potential. Future research should explore long-term impacts, address emerging challenges, and identify best practices for scalable, ethical adaptation. And now you have heard already a published research paper related to multimedia education. I hope you learned something for this presentation. Thank you and good day, everyone.